Hi guys, this is Karthik, developer and trainer. Today we are going to discuss about C programming aptitude interview question, which is asked in many companies like Zoho, Amazon, Infosys, and other companies. So this is the first question, C programming question, int main, printf, %g, and printf C program. These are all the following options. Predict an output of this code. First one is C program. Second option is C program followed by 5. And next one C program followed by 1 space followed by the 7. And the fourth option is C program followed by the 7. So what will be the output of this code? So I will explain this code with the practical execution. This is the first code, guys. Here, two printfs are there. So printf, outer printf, as well as the inner printf. If I am trying to execute this code, C program followed by space and followed by the 7. So we'll give an explanation now. First, it will give the preference for the inner printf. First, it will print the C program. See, consider this is the spaces are here. So one spaces and followed by the another spaces. So it will print the C program completely. And this %d indicates that is an integer value. So how many character which is present inside the printf, it will take that. How many character which is present now, this is space also, it will take the consideration. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and followed by the 7. So that's the reason it is printing the C program followed by the 7 over here. So if I do the modification like here, if I reduce the spaces, I'm trying to execute this code. See, just observe. Now, one space here, C program, and one space followed by the C program, followed by the 6. I ignore this spaces also. Now, if I execute this code now, so it will print the C program. Okay, how many character which is present in the C program? 5 character. That will be displayed. So if I'm going back to the same question, two spaces over here. If I'm trying to execute this code, see, just observe, space, C program, space, that will be printed. Then how many character which is present inside, including the white spaces, that will take the consideration for the %d. %d indicates that integer representation. This is the first question. So we'll go for the second question. This is the second question. So int main, int a is equal to printf %d and printf C program followed by 2/n here. So these are all the following options. C program followed by the 7, C program followed by 5, and third option is C program. The next line it will print 7, and here C program followed by the, so 2 lines gap and followed by the 7. So these are all the options. Now we'll go for the practical execution of this code. So we'll take the second code. If I'm trying to execute this code now, the same thing you have to go here. First, you have to go for the inner printf. So it will print the C program as it is. Okay, then 2/n indicates that control will go for the next line. This is the first line and this is the second line, and %d indicates that integer. It will consider the count of the /n also. It will consider the /n. So that is the reason 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then /n6, another /n6. So 2/n's are here. So that is the reason control will reach us the here 2 lines gap. So first /n it will go here, and the second /n it will reach us the here. So this is the explanation for the second question. We'll go for the third question. So this is the third question. Int main, int array of 10, comma I, Here for loop I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus, and for loop is end with a semicolon, and array of I is equal to 200, and in the printf %d 6 of array and comma array of 1. So these are all the following options: 200 followed by the garbage value, compile time error, runtime error, and garbage value followed by the 200. We'll implement this program. So now if I'm trying to execute this code, just observe carefully, 200 and followed by the garbage value will be displayed on the screen. This is the output of the code. So we'll go for the explanation. Here, the first point you have to observe is here for loop is end with a semicolon here. For loop end with semicolon. How exactly the execution goes here? 0, 0 less than 5. Okay, then it will go for the incremental area. It's become why? Because a for loop end with semicolon. It's become 1. 1 less than 5, then 2, 2 less than 5, then become 3, 3 less than equal to 5, and 4 less than or equal to 5, then 6, 6 less than or equal to 5. When the condition is false, then only it comes out. What is the array of I value now? I value is 6. 6 is assigned, 200 is assigned for array of 6. So you can print array of 6 also fine. Okay, then 6 of array is also fine. So you can use like this also. Array of 6 or 6 followed by array, both are the same. So what is the I value now? Current I value is 6. 6 of array, 200 will be displayed on the screen. Why? Because here the I value is 6. 6 array of 6 means 200 value will be assigned for this. Then array of 1, there is a no value assigned for this. So that is the reason it is displaying the garbage value. I will repeat once again. You can write like this also. ARR followed by the 6, or you can write like this also. 6 followed by ARR. Suppose if I want to do this modification here, I don't want to put a semicolon over here, guys. So what will happen now if I don't want to put a semicolon? Just observe here. Now 0, 0 less than or equal to 5, condition become true, it will get inside. 0, 200 assigned for the array of 0, then I gets incremented by 1, then 1 less than or equal to 5, again 200 assigned for the array of 1. It will keep on going like this. When the condition become false, when the condition become false here, array I values reaches for 6, 6 less than or equal to 5, the condition is false. So that's the reason it won't display the any value, array of 6 or 6 of array. But here array of 1 are already initialized with the 200. So that's the reason 200 value will be displayed on the screen. Now, suppose if I put a semicolon over here again, see now 200 will be displayed for array of 6 and garbage value will be displayed. Again, if I remove the semicolon, see, this is the output. Why? Because array of 1 you already assigned the 200. I not yet assigned anything for this 6 of array. So we'll go for the next question. Int main, int I is equal to 3, y I less than 4, comma, followed by the 5. Here I'm printing printf followed by C program, I plus plus, I value increment by 1, then followed by printf welcome to C return 0. And these are all the following options: C program welcome to C, the first option. Second option, C program prints infinite times. And third option is compile time error. And fourth option is welcome to C. We'll go for the practical execution of this code. If I'm going to run this program, what will be the output? Output is C program will be displayed infinite times. What is the logic behind this? So now int I initialized to 3, 3 less than or equal to 4, condition become true. Again, we have to check the second expression also. This is the first expression, second expression. 5 is constant, so it will be true. Then it's print the C program. Then I value gets incremented by 1. And now 4 less than 4. So condition false. Doesn't matter. We have to go and check the second expression. This is the concept which always gets true. So that's the reason it's keep on printing the C program infinite time. Again, if I print also 4 value become 5, 5 less than 4, condition false, the second expression will be true always. So that's the reason it is displaying the C program infinite time. Suppose if I keep a 0 here, so now 3 less than equal to 4, then followed by the second expression is 0. In this case, condition become false, then it won't execute the body of the loop, then it will print the welcome to C. Suppose if I do one more modification, suppose here if I place a 0, comma, then I less than 4, here if I delete this code, first expression is 0 and second one is the condition. So in this case, just observe 0, false, 3 less than 4 condition become true, C program will be displayed. Then again, this is the false and 4 less than 4 condition false, then it will go for the welcome to C. If again coming back to the same code, this is the code. So this will print the value infinite times. If I place a 0, okay, then its condition become false, welcome to C will be printed on the screen. We'll go for the next question. Int main, int k is equal to 35, printf %d %d 3% d integer representation, and k equals to comparison, k double equals to 35 comma k is equal to assignment 50 and k greater than 40. What will be the output of this code? Options are 1 50 0 0 50 0 1 35 0 1 50 1. We'll implement this code. If I'm trying to run this code, guys, this will be the output. Now I will give an explanation. So you have to trace from right to left, guys. K value is initially 35. So 35 greater than 40. Condition become false. So that is the reason 0 will be displayed on the screen. Next one. K value now initially assigned for 35. Now it is assigned for the 50. Now right now the K value is 50. Now percentage indicates that integer value should be displayed on the screen. That's the reason it will display the 50. So initial K value is 35. Later K value is assigned for the 50. Now what's the K value? Updated K value is 50. 50 equal to 35. We are doing the comparison now. So absolutely condition become false. 0 will be displayed on the screen. I will repeat once again. So 35 greater than 40, condition false. Assigned for 50, 50 will be displayed. And 50 equals to 35 comparison. No, it's a false. So that is the reason it will display on the 0. This will works on the true false. True means 1, false means 0. And here I am assigning the K value is 50. So that is the reason 50 will be displayed on the screen. We'll go for the next question. This is the pointer question. Int main, int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 2, int star pointer pa, and ampersand of a, address of the variable a, then pointer pb, then address of the variable b. And here I'm trying to print the value star pa slash and followed by star pb. And these are all the following options: compile time error, and the runtime error, and followed by the garbage value. So I'm trying to execute this code. Just now, because of this one, it works as a comment line, guys. If I'm trying to execute, you will get the compile time error. So here small difference is here you have to give a small space. Okay, now you will get the value of 5. If I don't want to give the space, it will works act as a comment line, guys. How we are placing the comment line like this. Okay, like this it will work. So that is the reason you have to give a little bit space. And if you want to give a space here also, you can give a space, no issue. See, you will get the value of fine. If you don't want here, no, fine. But if you are trying to place here like this, space, or else it works as like just like this comment line. Let's try to execute this code. Okay, see you in my next sessions. Thank you all.